Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the new HQ of Harrods Garage. If you like what you see guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Help us get to 1,000 so I can give back to you guys. Got a few of our things here. Still a bit more to bring over. But, as you can see, the Foz has a battery issue or a charging issue. Currently it's on the charger because I've stupidly parked it in this way so I can't jump start it from the Skyline. So let's get it in here and see if it's the battery or something's draining it or the alternator is not charging. Let's do it. Alright guys, I've got it going and it's raining. Push that up a bit. Oh, she doesn't like to stay. Just going to bring it in here and I'll see voltage on the battery, see if it's like a 14.4, what it should be when it's charging. If it is, it's the battery. Actually, I'm going to park around the corner here after I test it because it's raining. Park around the corner here, take the battery out, and just sit it over here. And I'll test it tomorrow and see if it's dropped down below 12 or whatnot. Let's bring it in, just the nose in here. I'm not keeping the Foz in here because there is a car hopefully coming soon. Alright, just going to check the voltage on the battery. So if we're seeing around 14.1. That's alright. Hi guys, so it's showing 14.1, so that's okay. What I'm going to do is reverse the Forester out the side of the garage, take the battery out and just sit it in here. And then tomorrow I'll test it. If it's still sitting at like 12.5, 12.6, then the battery's okay. Then we've got to find the electrical problem that's draining the battery. Alright, stay tuned guys. Well, that was a bit embarrassing. So, as you heard there guys, still need to do the power steering. Obviously if I can't start the car, I can't drive it, can I? So, I'll get the battery out, just chuck it down here. Alrighty guys, just going to test it. after probably running in the car for, what was it, 15 minutes, 12.94. If you can see that, let's see if I can do this. So remember that, and we'll come to it tomorrow morning, I guess, 18 hours or so from now. Hey guys, it's the next day. Let's get into the garage and see how the battery is. In here. Alright, battery. Alright. This is first time I've looked at this. So see if we need a new battery or not. I'll do the same little trick I did yesterday. It's the battery. Damn it. Maybe it's been drained too many times. Let's have a look at the little window here. And maybe it just didn't get charged. It says battery okay. The green and the red dot, so maybe it's both. Maybe we have a drainage issue in the car and the battery is on its way out. I'll just check the water levels again and see where we're at. So if you guys know, this is Sentry battery. It's 4 years old, and you can unscrew these and check it. And these are rounded. What I found perfect is the end of a fork. Sits in there perfect, and it says top up water to the bottom of the spout extensions. Well, spout extensions. Well, it looks like it's down a bit then. Alrighty guys, I'm not going to bore you with this. Alright guys, I'm going to top up the battery with some water. I'll charge it. So next week or so, get back into the Forester's charging system, and I'll do all this off camera, charge it up, leave it, test it, see how it is, and we'll go from there. Chuck it back in the Forester. And if the Forester drains it, then we know that's an issue and we've got to find it. So thanks for watching guys. I will catch you next episode when we do something here at the new Harrods Garage HQ. Thanks for watching.